Hello, Professor Morgan here, showing you how to set up automatic replies if you're using an older version of Outlook. If this is what it looks like when you open up Outlook, this is an older version. And so I have a tutorial that shows you how to set up automatic replies using the updated version of Outlook. Okay, but maybe your institution or whatever has not updated that yet. But to do automatic replies from this layout, it's different from the other video that I had posted. So what you're going to do to set up automatic replies is, and again, I've redacted information here just because you don't need to be seeing my information in my emails. Okay, to do an automatic reply, you're going to click on File. So when you click on File, that takes you to this screen. Okay, and then you'll notice on this screen, the second little box down here is automatic replies. Okay, it's actually right there. Boom, you just click on that. Now, when you click on this box right here, then it brings up a new window, this right here, okay? Now, this window is where you can actually set the time and the date and the meeting. Now, folks, best practices. So again, depending on who you work for, where you work for, whatever. So it just so happens that I'm recording this on the 20th of March, and I'm going to be out of the office on Friday, the 21st, okay? So the way that so I actually am setting up my message that it'll actually go live on Thursday at 6 p.m. because after 6 p.m. I'm not checking my email. I'm going to be out. Okay. Now, again, if you're one of those that's 24/7, whatever, but it's just helpful, because like if someone emails me at 8 o'clock, I'm not checking my email, so they're not going to see it until whenever. Okay. So but that's up to you. Okay. So when you start it, now it's super important that you put an end time. Again, just from a professional way, it drives me absolutely nuts when I email somebody and they're like, "Oh, I'm out of the office and I will return back on the 15th." And I'm like, "Okay, but I'm emailing you on the 17th. Your automatic reply, you never turned it off, right?" And that actually just shows a lack of you know detail and actually professionalism. I'm sorry, that's my personal opinion. Anyway, and then you can just put your greeting. Please contact your manager, your administrator, as far as what information they want you to put here. Okay, again, this is just very, I'm a professor, so I just put this information here. Again, but this is where you leave the message, and then you would hit OK. And then, so as soon as 6 o'clock rolls around on the 30th, if someone emails me, they're going to get this reply. Okay, and then on Monday the 24th. At 8 a.m., this will turn off. So if somebody emails me at 8:01 on Monday, they will not receive this message, and that's when I will get back. Okay, so there's the video and shows you how to do that. That's the older version. If you have the newer version, please click on the link that shows you how to do it for the newer version of Outlook. All right, thanks so much.